A tale of two tape measures. Two tape measures made in the USA, bought from Sears. Almost identical in appearance. One slightly wider than the other, but from the side profile, identical. Somehow managed to exist in tandem for who knows how long without the user knowing. And had such a profound influence on the user, myself's life, that I actually took the sticker off of the tape measure and put it in a special box, whatever, okay? And somehow on June 15th, 2017, these two tape measures have reunited or aligned or whatever. I don't know how long they've both existed, but you know, it sounds crazy. I always thought there was just one, and I thought that one was special, but apparently not.